Okay? Yeah, as soon as the video starts, start na po tayo. And buffering pa. Nasa Pasay ka eh. Nako, ubos na yata yung ano ko, data ko. Go na, ma'am! And go! Sa tiyan yung hatak, sa tiyan. That's good. Yan, that's good.
We're going to be working on a full variety of intervals, from 5 minutes to 2 minutes in stroke rates from 28 to 34.
That's good.
Maintain a decreasing training duration with increasing intensity. Make sure your
That's good.
set somewhere in the middle. Your feet are sitting nice. And now strap across the ball of your foot.
Yan, 1 minute lang. Kaya pa yan, boss. Ang pahinga sa taas lang, ha? Pwede magpahinga sa taas lang.
On the sit bone.
Okay, come on, ma'am. Sige. Pull lang na pull. Ten seconds. Come on.
Let's keep the rate.
Okay, 230.
Breathe.